Welcome to my vlogs. This is Tarsena Official Channel. Officially welcome you all to my vlogs. Let's go! I am now wearing a red shirt. Ayan, with baseball cap. And of course, wearing the transition glass. Ayan. And of course, always wearing a beautiful smile. Yes. Cloudy. Come to